In this video we will be showing you how to fit this set of Union Jack rear lights into this Mini R56. They are completely plug and play. Everything is pre-wired, so they plug directly into the loom on your vehicle, so there is no need to alter any wiring. First of all, you will need to remove the surround, simply by unclipping it around the edges. A trim tool can help with this task. Using a T25 Torx, unscrew the 3 screws. Remove this panel from the inside of the boot to gain access to the rear light. This will help you to push it out. Once the light is removed, unclip the plug assembly from the back. With this rear light set, there is 2 options for the indicators. As you can see, there is a green wire with a connector in the middle. If this is unplugged, this activates the dynamic indicators. To fit the new light, simply connect the plug assembly to the wiring loom on the car. Then place the light unit into position and reinstall the 3 Torx screws. Refit the plastic trim surround by pressing it firmly all around the edge. This rear light set is fully E-marked, road legal and MOT compliant. The overall build quality on these lights is really good. These lights have a really nice finish to them. The kit includes 2 lights and some basic fitting instructions. The kit also includes built-in resistors. These rear lights are packed really well. This is to avoid any damage during transit. This is a really simple upgrade you can do at home. Please see the links below in the description if you would like to purchase these. This will direct you to our eBay store or our website.